gonna like turn up the stove to like low, medium to low flame. I'm gonna like take the olive oil. I'm gonna like use 1 teaspoon. This is like 1 teaspoon. You can even use lesser if you're using non-stick pan, especially the stone one. I usually have to do half teaspoon. Today I just thought of like doing it like 1 teaspoon. Okay, I mean so let it just heat a little bit. You can also use this brush to kind of brush this around. But since I've kind of already started heating it, I'm gonna skip that part. I don't want the rubber to be mixing into my oil. So yeah. Turn up the heat a little bit so that the oil cooks quicker. Oil heats up quicker. I mean, there's no right way or wrong way of doing it. I mean, just keep in mind that you the don't burn it off. Otherwise, I mean, food is just like cheap, healthy, and just cook it a little bit and you're done. Yeah, so you can make a salad out of this as well. Don't like you put a little bit of olive oil. You kind of put all of this together and just like shake it, put all the seasoning, and there you have a salad. So, and it's gonna be like really tasty as well. You're gonna see that yourself, and you can taste that when you put that taste in the recipe as well. So yeah, now I'm gonna add the veggies. Stir that a bit. You can see the oil like really mixing really well with the veggies. Yeah, that's all mixed up. I'm gonna start adding the seasoning or the spices and stuff. This is paprika. This is basically like red crushed and dried red peppers, dried and crushed red peppers. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon. I'm gonna add actually, I mean, it depends on how hot you want your food to be. So I'm gonna add like 2.5 teaspoons. Maybe a little bit on the hotter side. So, yeah, and wow, I can actually smell the aroma of the paprika. It's amazing. I mean, paprika is usually milder than the red chili. This is garlic powder, but I'm not going to be adding that because I'm going to be adding this uh, chili garlic sauce. I don't want like too much of garlic in this food. So yeah, this is cumin or like crushed jeera. In India, this is called jeera powder. This is like crushed cumin. I'm gonna add this. Like, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of this as well because I mean, we're gonna be cooking this for like 7 servings. So plus I like it tangy and spicy. So yeah, this is with the black pepper and black pepper is like, again I guess half a teaspoon for now, and then I'm gonna check in the end if I want to add more black pepper because it really like really heats up the food. I can smell a little bit food burning up. Exactly burning up. Yeah, I'm gonna like stir it up, mix it up. Yeah, and that's the kind of spices I'm gonna be adding. Of course, salt as well. With half a teaspoon, I'm gonna be adding another teaspoon. Sorry, another half a teaspoon. So yeah, and then maybe a little bit of this is for like everything, but I like it a little bit salty. I don't like it. I don't like it too bland and stuff. So yep, gonna like stir it up. I mean, it started to look like really delicious already, and that's looking really nice. Smelling really nice as well. Like heavily. I'm just gonna add the chili garlic sauce. This is by Lee Kum Lee. I got this from like Real Canadian as well. I'm just gonna add like 1 tablespoon, which is like 15 calories. And it's for 7 servings, so that's like almost negligible. Around 2 calories per serving. So yeah, not gonna add too much of the garlic, chili garlic, because it's like very strong, like very strong. So yeah, so this is gonna be my sauce. Just gonna stir this up totally. A lot of people have those timings of like what time do you kind of, how much, for how much time do you stir the food, when do you add the paneer, there's a sequence of adding stuff. I'm pretty flexible with that and it works out really well every time. It's more about, having an idea of like what you're cooking exactly. And that's pretty much about it. Now, this is 350 grams of paneer. 55 grams of it has 150 calories and 10 grams of protein. And now we're gonna mix it. This is like the tough part. Is bachelor life, studies, job, you know, startup. You don't really have a lot of time to keep cooking again. So yeah. Yeah. This is definitely very dicey. You don't want to just ruin, you want fall off and stuff. So once a little bit of this is done, I'm gonna add the sauces right now so that I don't have to mix it again and again. So this is the soy sauce by Lee Kum Lee. Again, I got it from like Real Canadian. You can get it from Amazon, Walmart, anywhere. So this has 1 tablespoon, has just like 10 calories. I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons to this. Like, yeah, usually, I mean, I go up to 4 as well sometimes, and it works out pretty well because it's the second servings. So, yeah. Wow, that is nice, guys. Really amazing. Now I'm gonna go in for Thai chili sauce. This is by Kosa, and this is like 2 tablespoons have like the 65 calories. This is like an amazing ingredient to add like a lot of flavor, like taste, that sweet, high chili taste. It's just like amazing always. So yeah, this one, well, yeah. At the end, just remember you can add some vinegar as well. Like vinegar is usually added in the end, otherwise it usually burns off really quickly. It's not steals that easy. But not with jam. You can also do it in like uh, do half of it in one go, like half of the 250 grams in one go with half of the non-vegetable if you add non-vegetable food as well. I usually do half day and some. Last time I took I did the whole thing I did that really well. So I think something I did well. It's like it's really tough to handle it. This is like around 100 ml of water, which is like less than half a cup. The reason for that is that it just kind of helps everything mix really well. I'm gonna like turn up the heat a little bit, and I'm gonna like cover this for like 5 minutes. So now we just have to like let it dry off. You just like leave it on, cook it more. You can also, like cover it up. This just kind of makes it more moist and more soft. Ooh. Yeah, so this looks well cooked, almost perfect. Yeah, looks amazing, tastes amazing as well. Still a little bit on the raw side, you know. So you can, I mean, if you want to, I usually kind of go into around this amount of cooking. I don't like it like to be cooked a little like more cooked. So maybe I can just kind of turn on the heat a little bit. Make it look like a little more cooked. Wow, smells amazing. Just that is it for now. Done. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vinegar to that extra flavor. Vinegar it just kind of gives that finishing flavor to like East Asian food. Somehow it just completes that flavor. It makes it look very complete somehow. Gonna add a teaspoon of lime juice. gonna add half a tablespoon, please. Half a tiny teaspoon right now. That's almost the same, a little like 125% more volume. But the lime is gonna make it a little more tangy. I mean that's like up to you. Depends on your preference. You gotta add like a little more flavor which goes with the tangy nature of the entire dish. So this is this tangy, you know, uh, East Asian high protein, low cal paneer recipe. And it tastes amazing and it's like healthy. So that is it. You can have this like with a little bit of rice, around 150 grams of rice if you have. You can have this with bread, like whole wheat bread, multi-grain bread. You can have this with pita bread, which is high in protein as well. So yeah, I mean you're gonna be getting like around 15 grams of protein per 300 calories with this meal. So which is like amazing. So that is